Hey superstars, this is Wesley, $1 billion virgin here, and I want to show you how to make $400 a day using WhatsApp, okay? So how many of you would like to make that type of money? Just using, you don't have to spend any money, it's free. And if you have WhatsApp on your phone, if not, you need to download it because that's all you need. And I'm going to show you step by step in this video how to do it, okay? Now, let me log in here. Let me log out because I want to be proof. I want to be very transparent. Here's the dates, 10:34 p.m. Friday, August 7th. And let me show you how to make money if you're interested here. So I'm going to log in because I want to show you, I had to beg my affiliates to basically do this video because I didn't want to take their strategies. But they say, Wes, we want to help people. We appreciate what you do. You help people. So it's cool. So if I go to my top affiliates here and I do a time span of July 2020 here, okay, and I hit the search button here. Can everybody see this? Hit the like button if you can see it. It's clearly here, okay? So you can see these are, let me show this one person specifically right here. I know this person is using the method. They're doing about 4,000 bucks. This person's doing about $9,000 here. And these people are just using like WhatsApp, to be honest with you, to do this. And I couldn't believe this was working. And listen, I'm not stupid. I tried it for myself. So let me log out. And I said, well, let me log in and let me log into an account and let me do this and see if it really works. And look at here. This is a new account here, or it's an old account, but I just started running the WhatsApp campaigns here. And I'm doing about 400 bucks a day. Okay, just started. So if you're ready to learn this, if you're ready to get massive value, listen, I never ask you to smash the like button right now unless I give you massive value. And I promise you, if you listen to the very end, to everything I say, and it's no reason that you can't make up to 100 to 400 bucks per day, every day, to leave your job and make easy money like I do, okay? So basically, WhatsApp, you want to reach out to people, okay? That's it. You basically want to reach out to people and basically tell them about your offer. Now, you may say, offer, what do you mean by that, Wes? Well, you got to go here first, okay? You either go to clickbank.com or digistore24.com. I recommend Digistore. One, because they pay faster. Two, it's because they have very affordable, cheaper rates and fees. Three, well, Wesley Virgin knows the CEO of the company, so if you have any problems with them, come to me and I can fix it for you quickly, okay? Is that cool? And plus, if you're international, right, this is a great website to go to. If you're a beginner on the internet, this is great for you. Digistore24, and I'll leave a link in the bio if you want to sign up for free right now. But you register, get a free account. It's easy, takes about 60 seconds to do. And then once you have your account, I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. Give me 1 second. Okay, can everybody see this? Hit the like button, just want to make sure. And what you want to do is go to Marketplace, because listen, if you want to make money online, you have to promote a product or create one. I recommend promoting because you put all the work on the person who created the product. So everybody with me? If you're with me, say, Wesley, I love you and I'm with you. I just like to feel the love, right? Okay, so today we can either promote Overnight Millionaire, which is my product. We're #1 on the platform in the world, but I suggest Done For You services. Why? Because I'm gonna pay you 500 bucks. As you can see here, it's #4. We're paying 500 bucks per sale. That means every time a person buys the product here, clicks on your link and buys, you get paid from Digistore. Every time, like every day. You know, I get paid every day. So pay attention. What you want to do is this. Once you have your free account, you go here, you click the word copy here, okay? And then you go to a site by the name of bit.ly.com, okay? Because Bit.ly is going to take that website address, okay, and they're going to shorten it for you. Shortener. And if you stay to the very end, you know, as a matter of fact, if you share this video, I'm going to show you a site where basically if you shorten a URL, not only you get paid if they buy, you get paid if they click. So imagine if someone just clicks that links, you'll get paid money. And I'm going to give you the website if you share this. Like if I get 20 shares while I'm doing this video, I'm going to show you the site that you'll make double the money, and it's free. You don't have to pay money. Like it's no investment needed. Does that make sense? Now listen, you take that link and you want to send this to your WhatsApp people, okay? Everybody on your WhatsApp. Now you may say, Wesley, well, what do I send? Well, let me show you something here. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Here we go. All right, so basically, these are the scripts. You need scripts, right? These are WhatsApp scripts, and as a matter of fact, since you shared and liked this video, I'm going to give you this file here. I've never given it to anyone. Basically, I got this from the affiliates. Like, I didn't create this. They gave it to me. And they say, Wesley, these are the top scripts that we're using right now that's working. All we do is send these to our contact list in our WhatsApp, and people are not only click on the link, they're buying the services. For example, my daughter showed me this and it works. You put your affiliate link. So the person's name is whoever the person that you're sending the WhatsApp to, okay? So all you have to do is send them this. Or, hey, John, or hey, Pookie, or hey, Doughboy, or hey, Big Head, this is yours. Thank me later. Put your affiliate link. Or, John is not me, but it's somebody that you're sending it to, right? John, come in for an interview. Go here now. Your affiliate link. Now, listen, the stuff is powerful. Understand that these messages are created so people will click the link, right? Because they're going to be very curious. So after they click the link, you let the product owner, which is me, or anybody else that you're recommending their services or programs, we're going to do all the work for you. Because once they click on the link, for example, okay, let's take this. If you look, let me show you something here. Hold on, I lost mine. All right, so basically, if you send this, what's going to happen is this. You're going to click on the link, and they go to a page like this. Okay, this is Done For You Services. This is the service that we're using to help a lot of people right now. We're having people make a ton of money all over the world because basically we do it for you. We help you get your first sale very quickly online if you're a newbie, okay? And basically, we do all the selling for you. You just sit back, and all you need to do is this. This is how easy it is. You just need to send this to all your contacts on your WhatsApp. I mean, I'm being honest with you. I know you love me right now, and I know you want to hit the like button, and you want to do this. It works. Like, I have so many people that are brand new. That's all they do. They use these scripts, they copy and paste. They put their affiliate link. They send it out to all the people. The great thing about WhatsApp, links are very clickable. So they click it, they go to the page from here, and bam. And if they sign up for the free training, we will sell them. Okay? Does that make sense so far? Any questions? Now, if I deserve a like, hit the like button. Now listen, people are doing this like crazy. Listen, go to Craigslist. Just follow me close. I have affiliates right now that are making $10,000, $15,000 per month. They go to Craigslist.com. It's a free website. They scroll down. They go to resumes. Why? Because these are people that are looking for jobs. Well, people that are looking for jobs, they're not only looking for jobs, they're looking for opportunities, okay? But so look at all these people here. All these people. So what are we going to do? Let me show you what we're going to do. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me bring up my script again. Give me 1 second here. Remember that? So what we're going to do is WhatsApp and Craigslist scripts. Here we go. So all we're going to do is this. Hold on. Let me go back. We'll find someone that we want to reach out to because these people are looking for work fast. They're not looking for work. They're looking for money. Okay. This person said, I need work. Click on it. You want to reply. Look at that. all you do is, look, even sometimes they give you the phone number. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. You can text them on WhatsApp as well. And or you can reply to email. Like, this is like free leads. These people are looking for money. Now, they're just looking for a job, looking for money. They're looking for opportunities, right? So all you do is you use this script right here, okay? Hey, I saw your list on your inquiry on Craigslist about you're looking for work. I may have just what you're looking for. People, listen, people are actually using this today. I swear to God, like they're using this all day. And I'm giving it to you for free because I love you, I appreciate you, and I appreciate you guys sharing this video as well. But listen, you just copy and paste it. Copy that, and you just paste it. And once they send you a message back, you send this with your affiliate link. That's it. That's all you do. So imagine just laying in your bed. Like, I'm in my bed right now. I'm all comfy and stuff. I feel all good and feel all cuddled under my sheets here by myself. And I can just spend my entire night. If I want to make $500 today, this is what I would do. I would reach out to everybody. Boom, 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 boom. Right? Because all I need is one that's going to take a leap of faith with me. I send them the same script that Wesley gave me for free, which is the reason why I'm going to like and love this video here. And then, you know what you can do as well? Instead of going to Houston, you go to Austin. Beaumont. You can go to Austin. Who's in Austin? You can go to Deep, Texas. You can go to St. Angelo, Laredo, Africa, New Orleans, Louisiana, North Dakota, South Dakota, California, New York. It doesn't really matter. Like, you can just do this all night long, right? And before you know it, like me, if I was broke and hurting, I would do this. I would send out to 100 people a day. All you need is one person to take action. That's 100 to 400 to $500 a day. Does that make sense? Now, as promised, I promise you guys, if you shared the video, just comment, share below. I'm going to give you the website that, like I told you about Bitly, right? So if you go to Bitly here. So here, if they click the link here, which would be your affiliate link, but say you want to get paid in the process. So let me show you a website that will not only pay you if a person buys, they will pay you a ton of money just to click on a link. So imagine people clicking on your link and just, you make money every single time. Okay? Now, if you love me, because I'm going to give you that site, I want you to put in the comments, say, Wesley, I love you. Keep doing videos like this. And I'm going to give you a like and a share and a sub. Okay? And for all my beautiful ladies, I would take a kiss as well. I'm just kidding. Listen. Here we go. You're going to go to this site right here. Okay? AdElf.ly. That's it. That's the website. So what you do is you go back to Digital Store, right? You get your free account, go back to the marketplace here. Okay? You find what you're going to promote, either Overnight Millionaire, or maybe you're going to promote Done For You Services. Why? Because Wesley Verge is going to help you actually promote your product, or it's going to help you through the process here. Okay? And you go back to Ad 5. These people here, they pay you just to click on the link. Isn't that crazy? Insane. See? Now, disclaimer, they're not going to pay you $1 million to click the link. They may pay you 5 cents, 10 cents, 7 cents, but who cares? All money adds up, okay? Period. I like all money. I don't care if it's 1 penny. If I can make it, I want the money. I want the penny. Make sense? So every time that you post your link and every time someone clicks on this link, you will make money. Period. Okay? Because what they do is when you click on the link, it goes to another page. It attempts to market to your people. You wait 5 seconds, or they can skip the ads, and then it takes them over to the affiliate page. Okay? This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go. Love you, folks.